So by now we have created a collection, we have added all the documents within our bubble database to Typesense cluster. So everything is all set. Now what we need is to create our repeating group within bubble and to connect the data that we have put in our collection to bubble repeating group. So the first thing that you need to do is to, of course, create a repeating group. And here will be the image that we want for the movie and the title or the genres of the movie, and this small div block that we will put an element of the Typesense plugin called the readers. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to insert the Typesense connector within your page. Okay, and fill in all of these information. And one quick note that the items per page are gonna be the movies that will be collected from Typesense to your Bubble app, and this number cannot exceed 250. So your maximum is 250. If you want to show within that page more items, then you can use the pagination within Bubble. Alright, so let's get started and let's fill in all of this information that you already have. For example, the collection name. Let me get that file. So the collection name was Movies Typesense. The search only API. Don't use the admin API over here. The nodes hosted, which is this part. Okay, so within that file you will see that there is something called nodes, which consists of 3 parts. The first part is the nodes host and the port and the protocol. So this is the part until .NET is your nodes host, and the port will be the number part and the protocol will be HTTPS. And of course, query by, we have only the 2 items that we can query by are the within this data, or the data that we have uploaded, which will be the title and the genre. And the search box ID. What is the search box ID? The first thing that you need to do here is to say, for example, search box 1 or just search box, and copy that exactly and go to your input here, your search bar, and add that. Now this search bar is connected to Typesense and the Typesense connector, and whatever you will be writing here, it will be shown in your repeating group. So back again to the connector, the data type is text, and you want to render it later over here, so only use text. Make sure that this is published value and this is value is a list. Alright, now we are connected with Typesense cluster, and we are also connected to this search bar. But if we viewed the repeating group over here, you will see nothing, because nothing is still being rendered. Okay, so over here the text that we need to collect will be this Typesense connector. Over here the type of content should be text also, so you do this value list, use value list. So every cell within this repeating group will have the document that is published within Typesense, with all it has, the title, the numbers, the unique IDs, and everything. So now let's get started and start reading these items for each cell. So what you need to do is also get the Typesense field reader. Okay, and for example, get it over here. I want to put it inside. Okay, let's forget about this. So this one, Let's say that this will be the title reader. And duplicate it. So the next one will be the reader. And the third one will be the image or the poster. Alright, and let's group them all in one row. So we can later modify that. And make sure that the connector and the readers are always visible. So don't try to make them invisible within the page. Okay, they need to be visible to be able to connect with Typesense. Okay, so for the title, here we need to read the title from our document. So you need to collect exactly the same field name that you have uploaded or updated to Typesense before. So here will be the title, and this will be parent group text. Let's make sure that the parent group itself, yes, current cell text. Okay. So this is the title. Just copy this one. And the second one will be the genre. And the third one will be for the poster. Of course, I'm collecting these names from the files that we have already uploaded. So now all these three items are being read for each cell. So let's put the title here and the genres here and then the poster. So here the title will be title reader text value. And let's copy that. It will be not the title, we want the genre reader text value, and then here for the image we want the poster reader text value. Of course it's text value, not image, because it will be the URL of the image, because this is what we have uploaded within our data to Typesense. Alright, so let's view that. Everything is all set, and as you see here, all the images are shown here. So why there are some images that are not showing over here? It's because that all these image has very invalid URL. So you need to go back to your bubble database and update them and then upsert them again to Typesense, and they will be shown here. So let's give it a try now. So as you see, it's lightning fast. It's really amazing. So let's pick a name like far there, Boomerang, for example. And as you see, you have now lightning fast search within your Bubble app. And that's it, guys. If you needed any question or clarification about anything, please contact us within the forum and we will be happy to answer you. Thank you.